Welcome to Kauffin's Hobby Room. Today we're going to make a face mask using a t-shirt and some rubber bands.
This is a design that I found on the Center for Disease Control website. You can make this mask without sewing, and it's good because it has a lot of layers to cover your mouth and nose. You're not required to wear a mask in public because it stops you from spreading small drops of saliva, that's spit, when you breathe and talk. Get an old t-shirt that you can cut up. Use a large one if you have it. You're going to measure a 20-inch square on your shirt. Use a colored pencil, a crayon, or chalk to draw on your shirt. Cut the square off and throw away the top piece. Cut along the side of your shirt to open it up into a rectangle. Measure along the top and bottom to make a 20-inch square fabric. And cut the square out. If your shirt was big enough, then you can save the other piece to make a second mask. Fold your fabric into thirds. Fold the ends in and pull the rubber bands to the side. Your mask is now done. You can adjust how much fabric goes through the rubber bands to help it fit right.
Well, I hope this comes in handy. Have a great day.